finally really reaching out to our maritime islands in Fiji here as we speak. And last week, this week has been significant movements in that direction, especially starting off with Lau in terms of getting across to Vanuatu. We've started with Vanuatu in Loma Loma and Didia, and they're doing really well with the vaccination coverages there. Some of them have already passed 50% of their coverage numbers. And as we speak, we've constantly been in touch with our partners and getting the vaccines out even to Lakemba. Lakemba received its vaccine batch today, and even Rotuma today the vaccines went out. So Lakemba went yesterday, and Rotuma went today, and even Kandavu's doing really good. And we've already, in the Maritime Islands, we've already sent out the second batch of vaccines to certain places. This is apart from the Loma Iviti group, which is including Koro and Ngau. They've been constantly receiving, with Levuka, constantly receiving their vaccines as we speak for the past few months, but definitely stepping up their game in terms of getting that green side of where they're pretty safe right now in terms of their vaccination ups. And apart from the Lau group, we have even over last week we've rolled out vaccines to the Asawas and Mamanuthas. They started in the weekend, and as we speak they're covering the medical areas in the Asawas and Mamanuthas as well. And from the Ministry of Health within the Latoka Asawa group, we've got the Kesen, Nadula and Malolo medical areas that we're currently speaking of. And we're anticipating in the coming days, in the coming weeks, we'll really hit good coverage in those areas, and we're looking forward to getting that equity aspect, the access to vaccines as far as it goes in Fiji. So that's one of the things that Ministry of Health is really focusing on as we speak.